This is something for you, Mr. J.Young. Just doing a little toolbox tour. Starting diesel mechanic. Just finished my schooling. Of course, I got the nice snap-on 24 half-inch ratchet. My metric wrenches. Matco ratcheting, snap-on standard set, and then just some Husky cheapy shorties and miscellaneous line wrenches and whatnot. Standard wrenches, line wrenches, hydraulic wrenches, couple ratcheting standards. I got a 3/4 that I have out in my truck, but yep. Messy ass plier drawer. I got a lot of tools at work because I have my own work truck, so this main box is at home. Couple of hammers, chisels, all that junk. Super big wrenches, big oil filter wrench, and just random junk. One of my books I use for school, welding jacket stuff. My selective sockets or screwdrivers and whatnot. A few cross pins. I got some snap-on screwdrivers in my work truck. Ratchets. Matco. The rest of these are snap-on. A lot of extensions. Can never have enough of those. Fowler caliper, just cheap Harbor Freight. A carpenter set. Other random junk in there. More random stuff. Just a couple sniping pliers, left-handed drill bit set. Odds and ends. A few nut drivers, small clamps, engraver, stuff like that. And here, drill, extra impact sockets. And then I got that guy on the charger right now. Half-inch impact, electric, pretty nice, looks okay. I want the snap-on one, but that's way too much money. So yeah, that's my little toolbox tool. Hope y'all enjoy.